こんばんは。Kevin と申します。Tonight I will talk about sounds of Japan and coming from Canada where it's very quiet and I don't really live in the city. It's very different in Japan pretty much, and even in the smaller cities it's not that quiet, and pretty much the small cities it's as loud or as busy as some of the biggest cities in the world actually. And I can't even imagine what it's like to live in the city core areas, which will get pretty crazy, and it's pretty much a city and a country that never sleeps. Anyway, to today's topic, some things I want to mention when I came to Japan. The first thing is the ice cream truck jingles. So, usually in Canada, when you're walking in the street or something, or if you're in an office or in your home, you'll hear a jingle that's playing that's usually pretty familiar. And essentially, that's a sign that an ice cream truck is coming by and or coming to your neighborhood or whatever. So you rush out to your door if you want and buy your ice cream, and there you go, everyone's happy. But in Japan, so I heard the same thing, and instinctively I thought that, yes, they have ice cream. I never thought they sold ice cream in trucks in Japan. But looks like my assumptions were right, and they don't sell ice cream in trucks in Japan. But the jingle did not come from anything that was pleasant. It came from a garbage truck. So the sounds that I heard was actually from a garbage truck, and I was severely disappointed. And these are, yeah, it's something that's totally different in Canada. In Canada, garbage trucks were something that people would avoid, and you don't even want to know where they are. But in Japan, it's totally different. They're playing that sound as if they want you to know that the garbage truck is coming, which I think is pretty strange. Not all trucks have it though, but only some do. So that's one thing I found very strange. Second thing are the police cars. In Canada, when you see a police car or like some van that's driving by, you don't hear the sirens. Maybe they'll flash the lights and that's it. But in Japan, it's totally different. When they patrol the streets, whenever they're driving, they'll turn on the sirens and turn on the sound so then everyone in the neighborhood can hear them and know that they're coming. So I think that that was a little annoying because, especially in a very quiet neighborhood, if they do want to patrol the area, they'll turn on their sirens and blast it all around the neighborhood, which I find very little annoying and a little unnecessary because if there was some crime that's happening nearby, it would give a chance for the criminals to actually escape because they know that the cops are coming. So I find it a little counterproductive, but at the same time, you know the cops are coming. So I guess whatever you want, yeah, that take it as it is. So these are some of the things that I've just noticed about Japan. The garbage trucks that sound like ice cream trucks, and police sirens that never turn off. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And elevators that talk to you too, and escalators. And I just remember something. So number three, third thing is when you're actually in the train platform, you'll hear someone announcing saying that this train from whatever station to whatever station is coming and it's going to stop at this stop. So far it's at that stop. So once you say that, they play a little jingle and you know that the train is coming in the next few seconds. Which is good because you don't have to always peek down a tunnel to see if the train's coming. Keeps everyone safe, and I guess it's good for people who are actually visually impaired because they can actually know when the train is coming instead of guessing every time if the train is coming by actually looking down the tunnel. So three things, yeah. Looks like I added another thing. Garbage trucks, police sirens, and train platforms, which is really handy because in a really crowded space, it's good to know when the train is coming without actually having to see if the train is coming. So some of the things about Japan that are totally different than living in Canada and even some places in the US, which is pretty similar. So that's it. Just a really quick video about the sounds of Japan. If you have any questions or anything else, just leave it in the comment section below. Anyway, that is it for me. I'll see you all later. Bye.